Tired of losing all your progress in Brawl Stars? Let's get you connected to Facebook so your account is safe forever. First, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This opens up your player profile. Now, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the settings menu. Tap on it. Alright, you should now be seeing the settings panel. Look for the Facebook option. It probably says either connected or disconnected depending on whether you've linked your account before. Tap on this button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to continue logging in with Facebook. Confirm that you're ready to connect your account by tapping on the Continue button. You will now be directed to Facebook. Here, you'll either need to enter your Facebook login information if you haven't already logged in on your device, or simply tap the Continue as your name button if you're already logged in. And that's it. Once you've logged in successfully via Facebook, Brawl Stars will confirm that your account is now connected. Your progress is now safely backed up. Go back to your profile settings to verify connection. Now you can brawl without worrying about losing your hard-earned progress. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Brawl Stars tips and tricks.